So this is what you get from Dixon Fabrication for your £790. It's our 2200 long chassis, 3mm heavy duty repair section for a Discovery 2. These finish 330mm from the rear, in front of the rear arm brackets, the rear radius arm brackets, just over a foot basically. They're all CNC cut, CAD designed in-house by me. All the drawings are all done on AutoCAD and cut on our own CNC plasma. They're all jig built, all hand welded. You know, they're just what you need to give your Discovery 2 another lease of life, to be honest. There is the old question always comes up, why bother repairing it when you can fit a brand new chassis? Well, the answer's simple. This is 790 quid. You can fit this in a day, whereas to fit a full chassis, to replace a full chassis, you're looking at several days' labour, massive cost compared to this. These are £790. People are fitting these for around about £1,000, so you're looking at £2,000 tops for one of these supplied and fitted, whereas you're looking at £5,000 plus for a new chassis to be fitted. And then by the time you've replaced everything else, you know, you're probably talking more than that. Also, you can fit these without removing the body shell. You can fit these without removing the engine, the gearbox, any of the front wiring, anything like that. All you need to remove to fit these is the rear axle, the rear tank, and the associated wiring and pipes. And obviously your brake lines. So if you're going to be fitting it back on, that's all you need to replace. They come with all the relevant brackets, they come with the ride height sensors, they come with the holes in the spring hangers to take the airbags. They're all, you know, they're all ready to go on. We don't actually drill the holes for the wiring. That has been mentioned a few times. Basically, I don't know where they need to be, so it's only a case of drilling some holes to put the clips in. But to be honest, most people just zip tie the wires to the frame anyway. But yeah, 790 quid. We're really busy at the moment, I'm afraid. The last few months has been absolutely manic. We've got loads of these on order. So if you're wanting to order now, I'm afraid normal turnaround is normally a couple of weeks. You know, it's been a couple of weeks up until the last few months. And just this last month or so, you're talking now, if you want to order one of these now, you're probably looking into March. But don't wait till March to order one, because we are still taking orders. If you wait till March and then ask, you'll probably end up waiting till July. So if you want one, get your orders in. If you think you're going to need one, give us a shout. These get delivered on a pallet. You do need access, decent access, because it's delivered by a lorry. So you need access and somebody to be there to take it. I mean, it's delivered with a lorry and they have a tail lift, so there's no forklift needed, but they do need decent access. So if you live in a block of flats, don't order one of these to get delivered, because Amazon man will not knock on your door with a chassis over his shoulder. Right, so there you go, and that's it for me. I'm going to keep working, probably going to be working up until Christmas Eve at this rate. I think we've got about 12 of these on order at the moment, so I best get my head down and see you later.